Next stop is understanding a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of a common English phrase. Next stop is. This phrase is often heard in daily life, especially in travel contexts. So, if you're ready, let's explore what it means and how to use it effectively. Next stop is a phrase commonly used in public transportation, like buses or trains, to indicate the next destination on the route. It's a way of informing passengers about where the vehicle is heading next. This phrase is helpful for travelers to know when they should prepare to disembark. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. On a bus or train. Next stop is Central Station. Please be ready to exit. 2. In announcements. Ladies and gentlemen, the next stop is Main Street. Please mind the gap. 3. In everyday conversation. We're going to stop by the grocery store. The next stop is the post office. Each example shows how the phrase can be adapted to different situations, always indicating the upcoming location. While next stop is the most common form, there are variations. The following stop will be, we will next arrive at, our upcoming destination is. These variations have the same purpose but offer different ways to convey the message, adding variety to speech. For those learning English, remember, listen for this phrase in public transport. Practice using it in context, like when giving directions. Remember, it's about informing others about a future location. That's all for today's lesson on Next Stop is. We hope you found this video informative and useful for your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase next time you're on the go. Until next time, happy learning!